If your Samsung phone suddenly stops showing the call recording option, don't worry. This video will help you bring it back in just a few quick steps. Whether you need call recording for work, security, or keeping track of important conversations, I'll walk you through the exact fixes that work. So stay with me till the end. Let's get started. First, open your phone app. Tap the three-dot menu on the top right and go to Settings. Normally, you should see the call recording option right here. If it's missing, there's a high chance one of Samsung's settings is blocking it. The first fix is simple. Turn off Wi-Fi calling. Many Samsung users don't know this, but Wi-Fi calling can completely disable call recording due to carrier restrictions. So find Wi-Fi calling inside your phone settings and toggle it off. After turning it off, go back and check if the call recording option has reappeared. If not, let's move to the next fix. Go to Settings, Apps, Phone. Here, tap Force Stop. This resets the phone app's internal processes and often restores missing features. After force stopping, open the phone app again and check if recording is back. Still missing? No worries. Stay in the same phone app settings, tap storage and choose clear data. Don't worry, this won't delete your contacts or call logs. It simply resets the phone app's configuration. Confirm delete, then reopen the phone app and test the call recording button again. If the issue still isn't fixed, our next step is a system level reset that keeps all your personal data safe. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset all settings. This does not erase your files, photos, or apps. It only resets system preferences like permissions, default apps, and network settings, which often solve stubborn recording issues. Once the reset is done, open the phone app again and you should finally see the call recording option back in place. And if for some reason it still doesn't appear, your last step is to contact Samsung support because your carrier or region settings may be blocking the feature entirely. That's it. Follow these fixes step by step and your Samsung call recording feature should be restored in no time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Samsung troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.